Take command of the road in the 2005 Toyota RAV4. It features all-wheel drive versatility, an automatic transmission, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. This model accommodates 5 passengers comfortably and provides features such as a rear window wiper, skid plates, and a split folding rear seat. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. A Carfax history report indicates just 1 previous owner. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. We are here to help you.